It's summer and you like to have a refreshing, delicious iced coffee. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to preparing a nice iced coffee at home. How to prepare a nice iced coffee. Ingredients: freshly brewed coffee, hot or cold brew. Ice cubes. Milk or creamer, optional. Sugar or sweetener, optional. Flavorings, e.g., vanilla, caramel, cinnamon, these are optional according to your liking. Steps. 1. Brew your coffee. Use your preferred method such as drip, French press, espresso, or cold brew. Brew it a bit stronger than usual, since the ice will dilute it. 2. Cool the coffee. Let it sit to cool for 10 to 15 minutes at room temperature or chill in the fridge. Tip: to avoid watering it down, refrigerate or make coffee ice cubes ahead of time. Sweeten while warm, if desired. Add sugar or syrup while the coffee is still warm to help it dissolve. Stir until fully combined. 4. Fill a glass with ice. Use plenty of ice to chill your coffee quickly. 5. Pour the coffee over the ice. Carefully pour the cold coffee into the glass. 6. Add milk or creamer, it is optional. Add your favorite milk, dairy or plant-based, or flavored creamer to taste. 7. Flavor it up, this step also optional. Add a splash of vanilla, caramel, or a dash of cinnamon for extra flavor. 8. Stir and enjoy. Give it a quick stir, garnish if you like, e.g., whipped cream or a sprinkle of cocoa, and enjoy.